A simple, reckless mistake and an unforgettable lesson in physics. Some thoughtless person abandoned a motorcycle right in the path of this oncoming train. An explosion of twisted metal and flying debris that shows the sheer, unforgiving momentum of a locomotive. Watch this. An SUV hauling a trailer gets hopelessly high-centered on the tracks, a driver's nightmare. There's the blaring horn, a flash of motion, and suddenly, a deafening boom as the train strikes. The good news, and the only thing that matters, is that the driver reacted fast enough to escape the cabin just moments before the impact. Time stands still as this passenger bus suffers an engine failure, stalling directly on a busy rail crossing. A horrifying predicament. Fortunately, the driver had the sense to evacuate immediately and wait for help from a safe distance. This chilling dashcam footage captures a massive passenger train collision in Hungary. The impact is violent, sending carriages soaring into the air and twisting steel into wreckage. No one would ever want to experience that terrifying journey firsthand. In Mumbai, a terrifying scene. A train fails to slow down, slamming into the terminal buffer, derailing and destroying part of the platform. With the damaged train still grinding forward, panicked passengers are forced to risk their lives. The law of the tracks is simple. Mass dictates victory. When a train meets a semi-truck, the outcome is never in doubt. The locomotive slices through the vehicle like paper, a stark reminder of its unstoppable power. This driver attempts an ill-advised crossing, his trailer getting caught in the process. A fatal error in judgment. Fortunately for him, the train struck only the towed equipment, leaving the driver and the main vehicle intact, but with an expensive lesson learned. A massive, devastating crash in Oklahoma. This high-speed incident resulted in a mountain of wreckage, destroying a staggering 22 tanker cars in the pileup. For any professional truck driver, this is one of the worst possible phone calls to make to your supervisor. "Boss, I seem to have lost the trailer to a train." Northern Parana, Brazil, November 2nd, 2022. A pedestrian waits patiently for a long freight train to rumble by. Then, without warning, the entire scene goes wrong. A dozen cars start to peel away from the track, collapsing in a cascade of steel and cargo, tipping dramatically away from the now terrified onlooker. Another victim of terrible timing. This driver strayed onto the tracks, losing his car to the massive locomotive. The silver lining, he managed to save his own life and health. Experience the heart-stopping perspective from the driver's cabin. The train is at speed, closing the distance rapidly, when a truck driver attempts a desperate, foolish risk to cross the tracks ahead. The driver sounds the horn, but the truck continues. The ensuing collision is so visceral, so intense, that you feel the jolt and shockwave as if you were sitting right there in the engineer's seat. This bizarre moment suggests a prank gone terribly wrong, or perhaps just reckless disregard. A girl walks toward the tracks, forcing the train to initiate an emergency stop. It's a very good thing the driver's reaction was fast enough to avoid tragedy. Here is a classic example of hubris and poor judgment. This truck driver lost all his valuable equipment and the attached trailer entirely because of his own foolish, hasty decisions. The signal light is flashing, indicating danger, but with no clear tracks or road, it's truly unclear who this warning signal was supposed to be flashing for. This is a visceral example of why you should never, under any circumstances, take chances or mess with a train. The car is completely destroyed. Thankfully, the driver walked away without injury. São Paulo, October 10th, 2022. Everything appears normal until the structural integrity fails. One by one, the heavy freight cars begin to tip over in succession. The chain reaction derails the train completely, frightening everyone nearby. Thank goodness. Passengers had just managed to evacuate the bus that had become firmly stuck on the tracks. Just moments later, the train arrives and suddenly, the vehicle is obliterated. Foolishly, the SUV driver ignored the flashing lights and drove right past the lowered crossing barrier. The train arrived, and here is the explosive result. Miraculously, everyone inside evacuated just moments before impact. Another preventable disaster. In a moment like this, all you can think is, if only trains could turn, we might have avoided this entirely. A massive truck carrying an excavator became hopelessly stuck on the rails, forcing the entire oncoming train to slam to an emergency stop. A major traffic halt, but thankfully no one was hurt. A massive truck is hopelessly snagged on the tracks and can't be cleared in time. In the seconds following the impact, friction and fuel ignite an inferno. The entire vehicle is consumed in a massive column of smoke and fire, but somehow, miraculously, the driver had the time to escape, and no one was injured in this devastating incident. Imagine the everyday commuter's nightmare. You're calmly riding the subway, looking out the window, when suddenly a gigantic piece of a construction crane detaches. It crashes down, narrowly missing the carriage. The terrified passengers of this train didn't have to imagine this, they lived it. Just like that, in a flash of noise and destruction, someone's vehicle is completely obliterated. Fortunately, the car was empty. The frantic driver even attempted to signal the train operator to stop, but the tremendous momentum of the locomotive made avoidance impossible. Wow, this is an incredibly rare, heart-stopping view. We are seeing a high-speed train collision directly from the cockpit's point of view. What's more shocking, the maintenance workers nearby react with utter indifference, as if a multi-ton locomotive crashing is a daily occurrence. Farewell, pristine scenery, and hopefully this harrowing experience teaches this girl to maintain a much safer distance from the rails. A catastrophic miscalculation. Someone seriously botched the speed at which these carriages were supposed to connect. The slow-motion approach quickly turns into a heavy, bone-jarring impact. A violent crash was simply unavoidable. Another vehicle, a bus this time, becomes hopelessly stuck on the tracks. The oncoming train doesn't even slow down, delivering a devastating blow. Luckily, the vehicle was empty, sparing lives. It's truly frightening to witness the ease with which the immense weight and speed of a train can shear a semi-truck completely in half, leaving behind nothing but scattered wreckage. Pure panic. The desperate driver manages to leap out of his vehicle just seconds before the train slams into it. You can almost feel the wave of despair and shock wash over him through the screen as he realizes the magnitude of what just happened. An unbelievable outcome. It's difficult to comprehend how a small car could survive a collision with a train and remain nearly intact. Luckily, for the car and for the train, the driver had already fled the scene. For anyone needing to clear an obstruction, here's an unorthodox life hack. If you need to quickly remove massive steel beams from the tracks, just send a train straight through them. Who knows, this method might come in handy one day. The train operator frantically engages the emergency brakes, but the massive weight and velocity of the freight train mean it cannot stop in time. The resulting crash is a violent meeting with a gas tanker on the tracks. Such a shame. The truck driver was just moments from clearing the crossing, but the train still clipped the rear end. The force of the blow was so significant that it even caused damage to the adjacent station building. The driver of a car stuck helplessly on the tracks frantically signals the train to stop, a desperate final plea. But the laws of physics are unforgiving, and his signals were in vain. You can't help but feel immense pity for this man. This train, carrying heavy military equipment, met an immovable object. The resulting impact proves that even a train hauling heavy-duty military vehicles simply cannot be stopped by anything less than another immovable force. A rider's nightmare. A motorcycle wheel becomes lodged firmly between the rails. The driver had no choice but to immediately abandon the bike and run, prioritizing life over property. This collision wasn't just an impact. The train hooked the car and violently dragged it along the tracks for a considerable distance. Thank goodness the driver managed to scramble out just seconds before the train arrived. No one, it turns out, is safe from the sheer bad luck of getting their car stuck on the tracks. Not even the police, as demonstrated when this law enforcement vehicle is struck and destroyed by a train. What put the driver in such an incredible rush? He was incredibly lucky that the train only lightly grazed and spun his car around. It could have, and should have, ended so much worse. The truck got stuck on the tracks, was hit by the train, and the force of the collision caused the train itself to violently derail. Let's desperately hope the truck driver was safely clear. Another genius-level parking job. This time, a truck is left abandoned in the wrong spot, right next to the rails. The train impacts it and even gives a slight, surprising little hop after the collision. Who on earth thought it was a good idea to leave a plane resting right next to the tracks? It is absolutely mind-blowing that a train could actually collide with an aircraft. That car is now headed directly for the scrapyard. The only good news is that the quick-thinking driver was safely out of the vehicle in time. Look at the precision! It's almost unbelievable how the train sliced the trailer completely clean, in half a surprisingly precise destruction. It is painfully clear that this driver completely chose the wrong, most treacherous route for their journey. Honestly, it is genuinely surprising how often highly preventable things like this happen on the rails.